friends, welcome back to Tech Solutions. Let's learn how to create hierarchies in Tableau. We will use our office supply Excel sheet as a data source for exploring these hierarchies in Tableau. So we have region, state, city, representative, item, unit price, order date, sell, profit, ordered state and ordered city. To see the hierarchies, we need region, state and city. These three columns we can arrange as a hierarchy. So let's use these three and create a hierarchy in Tableau. Let's use our Excel sheet as a data source for this example. So all these columns we have region, state, city. Let's go to sheet 1. So while creating hierarchies, just pull the dimension on the another parent dimension, pull it and drag it on to the parent dimension. So in this case we want to create a region, state and city as a hierarchy. So let's drag state on region. So it will pop up the name of the hierarchy. So I'll keep it same name for now. We will change it later on. So you see now region and state. Now let's pull city in this hierarchy. Drag it and drop it below state. Now we have region, state and city in this hierarchy. So right click the name of the hierarchy, rename to geographical or just geo hierarchy. Notice the icon of hierarchy. This represents that this is a hierarchical data. Now let's double click region and notice the plus sign in front of the region dimension. Using that you can drill up and drill down. So this city level, state level and region level. Using these hierarchies we can easily see the details, like say the region, all central, east, north and west. If you expand or drill down, you can see the state level data. So in a central region, all these states and their respective cell. So this is how hierarchy helps us to drill down and drill up quickly in Tableau. What kind of question will be there in a certification exam? Like there could be a chances that is it possible to add a field to more than one hierarchy? If you look at the current hierarchy, we have one region, one state and one city, and absolutely we can see that we do not have any others additional region, additional state or additional city to use into the another hierarchy. But the answer to this question is yes, we can use a field to more than one hierarchy. And how is it possible? Let's see this in the next section. Let's say we have a requirement to create a hierarchy for ordered city and ordered state. So we already have ordered city, ordered state as a separate dimensions here. We can use it and we can create a simple hierarchy of using that. So let's create the first, drag this city on a ordered city on a ordered state. It will pop up for the name of the hierarchy. So let's give it a name as ordered hierarchy, ordered geo hierarchy. And we have 2 dimensions in ordered geo hierarchy. Now let's say the region we use for geo hierarchy, which is already created hierarchy, we have to use the same region into this newly created ordered geo hierarchy. How to do that? We know that we have only one dimension here as a region. So to do that, just either right click or use this drop down arrow and duplicate this existing region dimension and rename it as ordered region. Now we have a copy of this existing region hierarchy, which we can simply drag into the newly created ordered geo hierarchy, and that's it. This is how we can use it into the new hierarchy. And that is the reason the answer to the question is yes, we can use a field into more than one hierarchies. So let's try and use this ordered region hierarchy, and we are getting all this ordered region and the state in those regions and respective cities. It is not touching this geo hierarchy, it is working separately. We can check that as well once again, and we can see the region, its respective states and the city. That's it from this tutorial, friends. Thank you for watching, and please keep subscribe to our channel and keep supporting us. Keep exploring Tableau until we meet next time. Thank you.